Also, realism can be defined as the quality of a person who understands what is real and possible in a particular situation and is able to deal with problems in an effective and practical way.
Idealism consists in the cherishing or pursuit of higher or noble principles, purpose, goals, etc. It is the practice of idealizing.
Nationalism is a devotion to the interest of one's own nation over the interest of other states. Maybe the most important force in world politics in the past 2 centuries. A nation is a population that shares an identity, usually including a language and culture.
Ethnic conflict is a problem that involves the violence divided in groups of people who has different cultures, religion, and territorial space. We can see an ethnic actual conflict in Libya where the Arabs started to attack child, women, and old people from a tribe called Tubu because of the oil industry.
A religious conflict is a conflict of ideas and is when a group of people try to impose their beliefs on others by the use of violence. And an example of this is in Nigeria because an Islamic group called Boko Haram started to attack too many people in there and there was about 2 million people dead. This is a religious conflict because the Islamic group killed all the people there basically because the people were Catholics and they don't want that.
Government conflict is a contest in compatibility which concerns government and territory where the use of armed force between 2 parties. Example of a government conflict is the one of Palestine and Israel that are in constant war because of the territory. An economic conflict talks about the limited resources looking for the unlimited expenses, and the production is the thing that can save that conflict. Actually, we can see an economic conflict in Europe, basically for the German reports that affect the economy of countries like Spain, Chipre, Greece, Italy, and Portugal.
A territory conflict is a disagreement over the possession or control of land between 2 or more territorial entities. For example, a territory conflict is the Palestinians that the Arab population that hails from the land Israel now controls refer to a territory as Palestine and want to establish a state by the name on all or part of the same land. The Israeli-Palestinian conflict is over who gets what land and how it's controlled.